Hello everybody, welcome to this new video. This video is regarding a small DAX function that is with respect to all function, and that is to get the revenue contribution of categories in Power BI. So basically it will be revenue contribution of subcategories in Power BI. So we will go to the details. We need to get the contribution percentage. So contribution percentage will be the individual contribution divided by the total contribution. So to get the total contribution without getting filtering, you need to use the all function. But where we need to use the all function? We can't simply use it in any other table. We have to use it exactly the correct table. So since we are dealing with the subcategories, you can't go and use your all function in calendar or in customer or in order priority or in shipment mode. You have to use the all functions only in dim product, because inside dim product comes the subcategories and the categories. So when you enlarge this dim product, you can see here subcategory. So you need to make sure that you have to take out the filter of this dim product only. So in this way, if you use it, you will be getting the top 3 or top 5 highest contributors in the subcategory with respect to the revenue. So we will try one example. Now we can get the subcategory here from the dim product, this table, and we have this much of subcategories, the dim product table, and we will take the revenue for that. And now we will create a measure for the revenue contribution, and we can sort it out with respect to subcategory and get the top 3 or top 5 most revenue contributors. So the actual function will be divide this single subcategory by the total revenue. So that means here it will be 8,32,000 divided by this 1 crore 40 lakhs. So we will use it by creating a measure, and in that measure we will give it as revenue contribution percentage equals to, we can use the divide function, divide, and the numerator should be the total revenue, and the total revenue will be taken as the filter context. So it will be that single value, not the entire value, that single value with respect to the row, and this total value. So we have to take out the filter. So we will use the calculate function, calculate total revenue. This total revenue only we need to take out the filter, and we will give it as all. And here you have to be very careful. You have to select the product table only, because under the product table only we are having the subcategory. So we will use the product table, and we will close this divide, and we have to select the percentage also. So we will use the percentage symbol, and then we will drag it to the table, and we got the contribution percentages here. Now we need to just select the column header to arrange it in the descending way, and now we got the top 3 or top 4 contributors. The first one with phones, copiers, chairs, etc. So this is how we will get the revenue contribution percentage. Hope this video was informative. Have a nice day.